Welcome to today's video, where we're breaking down how operating systems work in just 2 minutes. An operating system, or OS, is the software that acts as the bridge between you and your computer's hardware. Without it, your machine is essentially just expensive metal. Think of it as the manager of everything happening inside your device. At its core, the operating system handles 4 major responsibilities. First, there's process management. Your computer runs multiple programs at once: a browser, a music app, a document editor. The OS schedules and coordinates these processes, deciding which ones get access to the CPU and when, using techniques like time sharing so everything feels smooth and simultaneous. Second is memory management. The OS controls how RAM is allocated to each running program. When memory runs low, it can use a portion of your storage drive as virtual memory to compensate, keeping things running without crashing. Third is file system management. The OS organizes how data is stored and retrieved on your drives. Whether you're using Windows with NTFS, macOS with a PFS, or Linux with Xfer, the file system is what lets you save, find, and delete files reliably. Fourth is device management. Your OS communicates with hardware like keyboards, printers, and GPUs through software called drivers, translating your actions into instructions the hardware understands. Modern operating systems like Windows 11, macOS Ventura, and various Linux distributions also provide security layers, user interfaces, and networking capabilities, all working silently in the background every second your device is on. So next time your computer runs smoothly, remember, that's your operating system doing its job. Like and subscribe for more videos like this.